fun activity. Listen, students.
Correct iceberg to complete the path. Excellent.
See the question. It starts from Tibet where it is called Sangpo,
Excellent.
Brahmaputra. See, capital of Jharkhand, capital what ma? Ranchi.
Excellent.
Chandigarh is the capital for dash state. Two states, no? Jammu and Kashmir answer. Okay, so two states. Easily, pen can reach the ice power. Okay, have you all understand, students? Again,
State weather.
listen, students. Now, you take your classwork note. Take your classwork note, students. And take your needed things. Already we have completed in classwork first lesson and second lesson. Today we are going to write lesson third classwork question answer. So take your classwork note, write today date, then write the topic. Lesson 3, the northern plains. Northern plains. Write the topic, sharp your pencil and write neatly, students. Write the topic. Then Roman number 1, left side corner, you write today date, then write D words. First one, see, sediments. Sediments means what meaning, mom? Solids that settle at the bottom of the river. Second one, tributaries. Third one, delta. Tributaries means what, mom? River or stream that joins the main river. Delta means triangular pieces of land formed near the mouth of the river. Okay, then fourth one, distributaries. Distributaries. Fifth one, see, plains. Sixth one, Sangpo. Seventh one, granary. 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 Okay. Which basin is called the Granary of India? Brahmaputra basin. Next ma, eighth one, right? Sundarbans. Sundarbans. Sunderban. Sundarban. See, ninth one. Monuments. 10th one, desert. Now, shall we see the spelling? Shall we study the spelling? Listen. Sediments. What spelling? Sediments. Sediments. Tributaries. What spelling? Tributaries. Tributaries. Then third one, delta. Delta. What spelling, ma'am? Del. See, delta. Delta. Distributaries. Distributaries. RIES, distributaries. Plains, PLAINS, plains. Sangpo, T, KT silent ma, Sangpo, SANGPO, Sangpo. Seventh one, granary, GRANARY, granary. Sundarbans, SUNDER, Sundarban, BAN, Sundarban. Monuments, MONUMENTS, monuments. Desert, DESERT, desert. Okay, so one by one write neatly, students. Then one line leave after you write. Okay, brief question answer. Write the heading brief, BRIEF, brief. Questions. Sing. First one, name the river that flow into the northern plains. Right. Answer. Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Satluj, and the tributaries. Okay, shall we study the spelling? Indus. Name the river that flow into the northern plains. Answer, Indus, INDUS, Indus. Ganga, GANGA, Ganga. Brahmaputra, BRAHMAPUTRA, Brahmaputra. Satluj, SUTLEG, Satluj. SUTLEJ, Satluj. And there, AND, there, THEIR, there. Tributaries, TRIBUTARIES, tributaries. Okay, students. Next, listen, one line leave after, right? Second question, ma. What makes the northern plains very fertile? Write the questions. One line leave after, right, ma? Second question. Right. What makes what makes the northern plains very fertile? Very fertile. Okay, right answer. The land is fertile, 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 because BECAUSE, because of alluvium, 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 deposited by the rivers. Okay, students. See, the land is fertile because of alluvium deposited by the rivers. Okay, see, fertile what spelling? FERTILE, fertile. Alluvium, ALLUVIUM, alluvium deposited. DEPOSITED, deposited by the rivers. by the, the, reverse, rivers, rivers. Okay. So listen students, today complete your classwork, D words and 2 question answer. Okay, then D words read and write 2 times in your rough note students. Then book back exercise fully how to study ma. Listen, write your homework. Okay, book page number 263, book back, book exercise fully read, classwork complete. Okay, D words read and write 2 times in your rough note. Okay students, have you all understand? Okay students, today's section time over. Next class we will see balance question answer classwork. Okay, thank you students.